Hello and welcome to the video. So today I'd like to show you guys the supplies that I bring along with me whenever I travel. Usually I'll pack all my supplies into this little canvas pouch. It's very nice and simple and easy to find everything inside it. So the first thing that I always bring along with me is my Winsor & Newton watercolor set. This is just a very small set of 12 watercolors, and they come in this super handy little pocket-sized container with a small paintbrush that you could use in a pinch if you don't have anything else. And I usually use the lid as a mixing palette, so that always works great. The next thing I always have with me is my watercolor brush. So you can actually put water into the barrel, and when you squeeze it, then the water comes out through the bristles of the brush. So these two things are a perfect combination. The next thing is a white gel pen, so I usually use this for doing highlights and small details. And then I always bring a pencil. And the next item is a Micron 0.01 fine liner. I love the super fine line it makes, and I use this basically for all my ink and line work drawings. And the next thing I need to have is my Tombow dual brush tip pen. I absolutely love this. I actually just recently got it, but I really love it and it's essential to me already. The next thing I usually bring is this set of 4 Faber-Castell Pitt Artist pens, and they are in 4 different sizes: extra small, small, fine, and medium. Another essential is an eraser, and I've recently been liking this moldable eraser. And then finally, less essential item is washi tape. I really want to bring these with me, but I hate having the rolls lying around and taking up a bunch of space. So usually what I'll do is take some samples and wrap them around a random card. So those were my most essential items that I always bring with me when I'm traveling. I'll just show you a few things that I bring if I have space or if I'm going on a longer trip. I usually bring my Finetec Pearl palette. I can detach the pans and bring just a few of them or put them into a smaller container, which also works. I really adore these colors. I think they're absolutely amazing. And then I have my stamp set, which is a little less essential, but I really like the look of stamps. So if I have space, I'll bring these along too. And they really add something special to my art journals and travel journals. And of course, I'll need a stamp pad for those too, so I'll usually just bring a small black one. And this is my travel journal, which I bring with me on all my travels. So I actually made this myself, and I made the black notebooks that are in there as well. So I could choose the watercolor paper, so I could use whatever mediums I wanted on the pages. And then I also have 2 small notebooks that I found in Dubai, which I think are super cute, in between the black ones. And then I'll usually pack everything into my backpack, and then I am good to go. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm actually going to Budapest very soon, which is really exciting and is sort of why I decided to make this video. So if you have any questions or comments or ideas that you would like to share, please feel free to leave those down below. And otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye!